Setting up a stop loss on Robinhood is a crucial risk management strategy for investors, allowing you to limit potential losses if the market moves against your position. Here is a step-by-step guide to setting up a stop loss on Robinhood options. First, open the Robinhood app and navigate to the stock or option you want to set a stop loss for. Tap on the stock or option to go to its details page. Then, tap on the Trade button. Next, select the type of order you want to place, which in this case is a stop loss order. A stop loss order is an instruction to sell a stock or option when it falls to a certain price, known as the stop price. To set the stop price, determine the price at which you are willing to sell your stock or option to limit your potential losses. This price should be based on your investment goals and risk tolerance. Now, set the stop price and the limit price. The stop price is the price that triggers the stop loss order, while the limit price is the price at which the stock or option is sold after the stop loss order is triggered. For example, let's say you bought 10 shares of stock at $50 per share and you want to limit your potential losses to 10%. You would set the stop price at $45 per share, which is 10% below the purchase price. After setting the stop price and the limit price, review your order to ensure everything is correct. Then, confirm the order to set the stop loss. It's essential to note that stop loss orders do not guarantee that your stock or option will be sold at the stop price. If the stock or option gaps down below the stop price, the order will be executed at the next available price, which could be lower than the stop price. In conclusion, setting up a stop loss on Robinhood options is a simple and effective way to manage risk and limit potential losses. By following these steps and setting a stop loss order, you can help protect your investments and achieve your long-term financial goals.